Hey everyone, in today's video I'm with my friends Bill and Eden, and we are going to head out to, I guess, a coffee shop with a view, and then head over to some waterfalls to do some swimming. I'll take you guys along. Yung buntag. Four? What do we got?
Yeah, you can have this.
That's it. Okay.
Dahil lang kami nabili ng
So this is the waterfall we will hike to later. But first, we'll get some food. All right, guys, so we are at the spot for the hike to the waterfall, and it's called Malatanag Falls. I'm sure I'm pronouncing it wrong, but this is the point of where we will start the hike, which my understanding is it will take about an hour to go down to the waterfall. Maayong buntag. There's the waterfall in the distance. And that's where we're gonna go to. So, this should be good. All right, so we are making our descent down. And it's a little bit slippery, but I'm not gonna film the entire thing, but
Well, I got everything in a driver's license, passport.
by the way, I'm here with my friends Bill and his girl. But they've done a good job with paving it and cement. So that's good. I can't imagine that the entire way is cement, though. Right? I'm sure at some point it's going to turn into dirt, but we'll see. Whenever I do a hike, especially to like a waterfall or something like that, and I drive my motorbike up to the location or car or anything for that matter while I travel, well, I make sure that I'm covered. Now, as a digital nomad, finding health insurance that fits my lifestyle has always been challenging. Enter SafetyWing's new Nomad insurance plans. These plans are designed specifically for nomads like us. The Essential plan covers the basic with options for adventure sports and electronics theft, while the Complete plan offers comprehensive health coverage with routine health care, mental health support, and maternity. Now there's a truly flexible option no matter where in the world we go. If you are a nomad looking for borderless healthcare, you're going to want to check this out. There are links down in the description and the pinned comment. Check it out today and get a quote for yourself. I would film the whole event, but it's very slippery, so I'm going to turn off the camera. Rice terraces, banana trees, waterfalls in the distance. Okay, here's the restaurant that we were at just half an hour ago. Waterfall's near, I can hear it, and we're back on actual cement path again here. I can feel it in my legs already though. Maayon hapon. Here we got some water already. Okay, we're going to be crossing the river now. I will attempt to do this one-handed. All right. River crossing complete. Now back up on the trail. So behind me is a house and a little store. There's another little shop that you can rent out for the night for around 1,000 pesos per night. It's solar power that you can see behind me here. And because they have no electricity down here, so with the solar they have some power. Oh, we're getting there. I can feel it in my legs. All right, this waterfall actually has 3 levels. We are not doing all 3 levels, we're just doing the first level. And there's a lot of people here today. It's a Sunday, so pretty busy. I'll flip the camera around and show you guys here. Maayong hapon. Ah.
You walk in no shoes.
I can't.
Yes. Oo. Ang kuha sa kay Manong. Asan po sa dik? Ay, that. Oh.
Are you going past this?
Not good.
Are you?
You can't get too serious.
Oh, okay. Here? Yeah. Wow. We got all these people here hanging out at the waterfall. There you go. That's amazing. This is where I will end today's vlog, but wow, this is the beauty of the Philippines here.